Hey guys, today we're going to show you guys how to set up your X-Carve to turn the spindle on and off automatically with a relay. That means you can click a button and your spindle will turn on, and when the project ends, it'll turn off automatically. So this is the relay. As you can see, mine here is already set up. So I'm going to go through and disconnect everything, and then we're going to put it back together so you guys can set one up yourself. So this is the wire I got on Amazon. You can see it's 18 gauge, red and black color. So you're going to go ahead and take this clip. You just loosen these little screws here and then feed the wires in. So I set up the negative to be black and the positive to be red. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in here. So mine is already mounted to this wasteboard here. You can mount this pretty much anywhere as long as the wires are long enough. But one issue is the spindle router cord is pretty short. So it works well if it's here. So then I went and fed these wires through this mess of wires here. And these, so the black wire went to the ground and the red wire went to the spindle. So it's the two far right inserts on this plug. So this is literally the hardest part. Putting these in here, feeding it through, and setting it up to go into the X controller. So now you're going to take your spindle router plug and plug this into normally off. Okay? Just like that. This is the power cable. It goes in the back like so. So now we got the power cable plugged into the back. That just goes into the wall. The spindle into one of these normally on outlets or normally off outlets. Go ahead and turn this on. So now that the controller is hooked up to the computer, we're gonna go in the easel software, go over to machine, set up your machine. So we have an X-Carve, X controller, whatever size your machine is, Acme screw, DeWalt spindle, dust shoe. Ooh, helps if you turn the machine on. Okay, you're gonna go through, see if I can get you. You test all this stuff. Works. And we're gonna go ahead and continue. Here we go. Spindle setting automatic. Save preference. So let's see if it works. Turn on spindle. Spindle turns on. Spindle turns off. So also, after this is done cutting out whatever you decide to cut out, this will shut off automatically as soon as the carve ends. There you guys go. No more turning this on manually. Just simply turn it on, leave it on, and the relay will do the rest. I'll put links to all this down below, to this and the wire you need. I think this was about $20 and this was just a few bucks. So you can do all this for about $30.